Hi everyone, welcome you all again in the live session. And in today's live session, we are going to make a very interesting and exciting game. That's a bunny fight game. Yes, in today's session, we are also going to make our sprite as well. We are going to make our game. It's really interesting. I'm going to share my screen with you all, and I hope the screen is visible for all of you. So let me explain you first what is happening. This is my bunny one. I made this bunny. We will make the sprite in the class. This is my bunny two. So bunny one score I can see over here. Bunny two score I can see over here. Afterwards, this bunny 2 controlled by itself, it means a computer's bunny. This is bunny 2, and this is the player bunny. It means you are going to play the game while running it. So this bunny has to shoot to the another bunny, and this bunny is shooting to bunny 1. If bunny 1 shoots bunny 2, the bunny 1 scores will happen. If bunny 2 shoots bunny 1, that means the bunny 2 scores will happen. Let's see how it works. I'll play this. When I press space key, bunny 1 will shoot, bunny 2 will shoot by itself. So, as you can see that the score for bunny 1 is 13, for bunny 2 the score is, oh sorry, bunny 1 it is 3 and bunny 2 it is 13. Actually there is something mishappening with the score because bunny 1 also shoot bunny 2. So the score will not that. Bunny 1 also has some more scores. We will see while making it. So this is what the game is and how it works, how it works you can see. And now we will start making this game. For this, I'm just going to open a fresh Chrome page. You will open PictoBlocks and you will come to the block section. I hope the screen is visible for all of you. So when you come over here, first thing, I will give this name Bunny. Bunny Fire. Okay. And I will make sprites quickly. So I come over here. Oh, I'll go back. I come over here. I'll click on the paint section and I will make bunny. So I'll make a face of bunny and I will make ears of bunny. Then I will select this arrow. I'll just click on it and moving it like this way so that it should be, in a proper direction. And now I will make this bunny mouth and I will make eyes of the bunny. Okay. So this part actually I want to color it as white. And I'm just moving it a little bit down. Inside it, I will make some black color eye. So I'll select a circle and I'm just making black eye. So this should be of black color. I'll just select this part and click on it and moving it a little bit like this way. I will erase this part. Afterwards, I'm just moving it a little bit, kind of, and like this way. So I'll just click on this, hold and click and move it a little bit towards this side. Now, for this part, I'm making it a little bit down. And this will be the nose part of my bunny. So this nose part should come over here. And the eye part should come over here. Oh. And this part also. This is the nose part. I will move it towards like this way. And I'll take this and make a yellow color nose. I'm just making it like this way. I'll select this one, move it like this way so that it looks like a nose. Now I'm just selecting this line and making bunny face. This line will be like this. And now I will hold it and move it, kind of. Okay. Now the next part is this base part. I will make this as of, okay, this color. This is fine. Selecting the arrow, moving it down. Now again, I'm taking this part and moving it this side. And this should be this part. And I will change color to it. So I'm selecting arrow, do copy and paste. And I'm just moving it towards this side. Go to the back layer. And now I will make this part. So it should be like this way. And again, hold, copy, paste. Moving it this side to the back layer. And making a hand. So it will be a circle. I'm selecting this, holding it as a thumb. And this should be like I make another hand because it should have a bullet to shoot, and this hand should come over here like this way. Okay, and the next part is I will make this and this. So this should be here. And this will be like this way. And again, this should be here. And this should be like this. Okay. If I'm moving it down, I can have legs of bunny. So I'm selecting this. These are the legs. And I'm selecting this. I'm selecting this. And this. And now the shoes of the bunny. The shoe color, I'll make it as red color shoes. So I will select red color shoes. And this way, I think that's it. Okay, so my one bunny is ready. Now I need to costume it, so I'll do duplicate. And for this, I'll simply rotate this. So one will be this. When it is shooting, no, it should be front. When it is shooting, it will be front. Go back layer. This will also be kind of front. And this way it should come. Now the next part is the leg part. That should be like this way. Undo. I will select only this. Like this way, and this should be this side to the back. And then this part should kind of this to the front, like this way. And now the hand part is, so you can press shift click for selecting the particular part, and you can move it like this way because it has to shoot. Okay, and then you'll just do this and click on this, and this should be like this because it has to shoot. Then shift click, and this should be like this. Okay, got it. So this is my first costume, second, first, second. So it should look like that my bunny is shooting. This is my bunny one. So I can make it as player bunny. This is my player bunny. I'll do duplicate of it. And the only colors I will change. So I'll just select these two parts of colors. I'll make it some different color. Let's see, the yellow color, dark yellow color. Then I will click on shift this part. And okay, that's fine. So this part color, I will change to some this color. Then I'm selecting this part. This will be of some this color. And then I'm selecting these all four. So this should be of yellow color. That's fine. This is the different bunny. Now the same thing I'll do with this. It should be yellow, right? The dark yellow part it was. Then it should be the blue one. So the color, I'm changing it to something like blue. Then this part was red. And then this part was again yellow. So I'm just moving it to yellow. That's it. Okay. This is my second bunny, and it should be flip horizontal. And this side also, it should be flip horizontal. And now there is my bunny, and there is my bunny. My two bunnies are ready. So this is player. This is not player. This is computer bunny. So I'm just writing it as a name, computer bunny. And this is my player bunny. So computer bunny size, I'm making it as 60. This is my computer bunny, and the player bunny also I'll make it a size as 70. So 70 is fine. 60 looks so small. And now I will take the backdrop. So here I will select a backdrop, this one. So this is my bunny one, this is my bunny two. Let me take some different because the color merges a lot. So I will take this as a backdrop this time. Okay. Okay. But ये इतना अच्छा सा नहीं लग रहा मेरे को. तो do I take this one? ये भी blue ही मैच कर रहा है. Backdrop, backdrop, backdrop. Quickly selecting the backdrop, backdrop, backdrop. This one. Woods. हाँ, ये थोड़ा सा. हाँ, ठीक है. That's cool. Okay. Now what I want is I want to have the bullets for bunny 1 and for bunny 2. Means for the player bunny and for this. So I'm just taking this player bunny. This is for my player bunny. So pehle, first we will do the code for the player bunny and the bullet, and then we will continue with the another one. Okay. So what we will do as a code for the player bunny. What can be the code? So for the bunny, the code is that I will take a sound that is a play sound with up arrow key. It will move, and when you are pressing space key, the bullet will be. It will make a copy of bullet. So I'll start the game. I will take go to X and Y. I will go to sound, and I will take video game. Video game sound. Then I'll go to the block section. I will go to sound and I will take start sound video game. Then I will take forever block and I will take a conditional statements. So 1, 2 and 3 conditional statement. One conditional statement I will take as if key pressed. So if up arrow key pressed, it will go up. If down arrow key pressed, it will go down. If space arrow key pressed, it will create a clone of the bullet. So from the motion you will take, if up arrow key pressed, then change Y by 10. And if down arrow key pressed, change Y by -10. And if space arrow key pressed, then you will make a clone of that bullet. Okay, so I'm just going to create a clone of bullet after some seconds of break. So I'm just going over here and I will create a clone of bullet and it should wait for some second. So I'll take wait for 0.1 second. Then we'll go to looks and we'll take the next costume. Okay, so this is fine. We will check it later, but first we like he's shooting the bullet, but it also has he has the bullets also, right? So now we will do the code for bullet. For the coding of the bullet, you will just move the bullet this side first of all. Okay, then I'm just minimizing it and we'll move it to this side. Okay, now what we will do is we will do the code of the bullet like when I start as a clone, when it starts as a clone, then there is one sound come and the position of the bullet will be towards the bunny position, means whatever the bunny position, your bullet position will be that. So it will be like when green flag click, go to X and Y, there will be the sound. So I will pick laser sound for this bullet. I'll take laser 2. I'll take start sound laser and take the go to X and Y block from the motion and in the sensing, I have this backdrop of a stage. So you will take both sides. First change the stage. So player bunny X position and player bunny Y position. You will write, okay, for this. And afterwards, what we do is that when this is happening, then you are going to show, and the bullet will repeat, like changing its X position until it is reaching. Okay, so I'm just going to show this and repeat until I'll take or and touching and touching. So touching edge and touching कंप्यूटर बनी. ठीक है, तो टचिंग एज एंड टचिंग कंप्यूटर, तो ये आपका like both it will select, and once it is happens, then like it will go forward. So I will change X by 10, and whatever happens, it will delete the clone. And I want to hide. Actually, this is for when I start as a clone. And when a green flag is clicked, everything should hide. Okay, if I run this only for this bunny, shooting, you can see its position as well. The same thing I'll do for this bunny. So for this bunny, I will do like when green flag click, this bunny has to move forever. So the starting position will be this. Then it will glide here. Then it will glide here, glide back, then glide back, glide back. ठीक है, तो see, it should glide, tling, 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 tling. So every time the bunny is going to glide. Now I will do one more thing. When green flag click, I will do forever. Next costume is going to change. Create a clone of bullet. Not bullet this time, bullet 2. To create a clone of bullet 2, and the costume of bullet 2 this time will be this one. And I need to find this bullet first. I will rotate this bullet. I'll minimize it, and you will move it to the target. Here, go to the block section. So when next costume, bullet 1, and it will take, wait 1 second for coming the bullet. Now come to the bullet. When green flag click, this happen, go to X and Y. When I start as a clone, ये तो नहीं आएगा for the bullet. If this comes, ये भी नहीं आएगा for the bullet. ठीक है? This is the only thing. Because the X and Y position will be the bunny position. So this is computer bunny. So whatever the position will be computer bunny position, and it should be -10. बस ये changes होंगे. बाकी laser 2 will be bullet 8. हम इसको कर देते हैं for the sound, and let's see. ये जो है, go to X and Y, clone आ रहा है, and also costume, also flip horizontal. एंड यहाँ पे मैंने -10 ही किया है, टचिंग एज कंप्यूटर बनी को टच करना है ना, वो प्लेयर बनी को टच करना है। यहाँ जाते हैं। क्रिएट अ क्लोन ऑफ बुलेट 2, वेट फॉर 0.1 सेकेंड एंड चेंज द कॉस्ट्यूम। ठीक है, इफ यू कम ऑन द बुलेट 2 सेक्शन, तो बुलेट 2 में क्या चेंजेस आ रहे हैं? बुलेट विजिबल तो होनी चाहिए, बुलेट विजिबल क्यों नहीं हो रही? शो यहाँ पे आ रही है। क्रिएट अ क्लोन ऑफ बुलेट 2, ओके, and wait for 1 second. Okay. If touching bullet 2, oh sorry, here. Create a clone of bullet 2, wait for 1 second, next costume. And ये bullet 2 है. If I show bullet 2 है कहाँ, यहाँ क्या कर रही है? तो go to X position of computer bunny and Y position of computer bunny. Okay, now it okay, now what the next part is, I will make two things. One is the player bunny score and second is the computer bunny score. So I'll go to the variable. I will make player score and computer score. I'll come to the player variable. I will go and take set player score to 0 initially, and when it is touching, I'll go to bullet 1 because bullet 1 is the player 1. So if bullet is touching, so I'll just make a condition inside the forever. If touching computer bunny, the score, the computer's name, the player score will change by 1. ठीक है, but the thing is player score change नहीं हो रहा. मैंने बुलेट लिया, इफ टचिंग कंप्यूटर बनी, अगर वो कंप्यूटर बनी को टच करता है तो चेंज प्लेयर स्कोर बाय 1. तो प्लेयर स्कोर 1 से चेंज होना चाहिए. दिस इज द प्लेयर, प्लेयर स्कोर इज 0, स्पेस की pressed. If I put the condition over here that if touching bullet, then change player score by 1 and set player score to 0. Let's see. I think it is waiting for forever. I think मुझे इसको condition forever and अलग से we will take this. ठीक है? Let's was waiting for some things है ना, तो इसको थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड देंगे, like it will wait also for 0 point at least 3 seconds to getting the score. Now the player score is changing and the same concept I will apply for bunny score. So if touching if touching bullet 2, yes, then change computer score, yes, computer score by 1, and it should wait 9. It's fine. Chalo. Computer score will be here, player score will be here. Let's start the game now. Let's see. So I got 14 and computer score is 8 right now. So what you can do, even you can make the changes with, some colors. And there is a challenge for you all. The challenge is that you will add a timer over here. Suppose this game is going to run for 30 seconds, and if the player score is maximum, then it will win the game. Otherwise, computer will win the game. So this is your task that I hope you can do that easily. I will run it again. Once again, let's see it. Oh my god, my computer Yes, so player score is 21 and computer score is 15. Ta-da. By the way, this is cheating that my sprite is, having a lot of bullets and this computer sprite only one bullet after some seconds. So you can make it equal, or if you want to make a fun game, you can definitely do this. I think this bunny fight is really good for you all and you can make it definitely. It's very funny, easy, simple game. And let's come over the sprite section. This is my player sprite code. This is my computer sprite code. This is the bullet for the player sprite, and this is the bullet 2 for the computer sprite. And this is it, everyone. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next live session. Till then, make the